Hello Prime Coders, welcome back to Prime Coding channel. So recently I got messages from the candidates whom I mentored and my inbox is just filled with Bhaiya, I cracked it, I cracked it. So Deloitte NLA result is right now declared. You please let me know whether you have received or not, or what is your result, or how you cracked, what resources, so that everyone will like your peers will get to know okay, how to crack this Deloitte NLA in their term. Okay, so most of the people got congratulation and most of the people got rejection as well. So without wasting further time, this is the rejection mail. Like we appreciate your efforts and enthusiasm during interaction. After a careful consideration, we regret to inform you that you will not be moving forward with your profile as you have not cleared the interview round of the NLA assessment. We wish you very best for your future endeavors and hope our path cross again. Okay, so talent acquisition team has sent the people who are rejected. It might be multiple reasons. Okay, it might be your luck is not favoring you. A biggest opportunity is written in your career book. Okay, so please try to look over all the TCS NQT opportunity. I believe most of you have started preparation and you will be nailing it. So the people who got rejected, I will come back to you in the last, but here let's cover for those people who got the successfully cleared the interview. Congratulations, you have cleared NLA interview process and one step closer to unlocking your potential at Deloitte. Please keep monitoring your mailbox for further details from us. Now people do ask me what is the further details. Guys, you cleared your interview. Okay, have your sweets, because now the onboarding process will go start. Like they will send you LOIs, they will ask you about document verifications and much more. But you can take a good amount of air into you because you are shortlisted now. And this message came from talent acquisition team, and this kind of mail my inbox is totally filled with. The candidate who are not able to ace this opportunity for now, please try to look over in another opportunities. This is not the end. Okay, Deloitte is providing you 4.25 LPA salary or 4.5 LPA or 3.5 LPA. Okay, so you don't need to look over on this if you are not shortlisted, but you should overcome your weakness, whatever you feel that okay, I was not, because of this I got rejected, because of that I got rejected, so I won't be repeating that stuff again and again. Clear? So please try to work on this, as well as I want to cover that. See, you missed one opportunity. Now I would say only one mega off-campus opportunity is left, which is, if you ask me, TCS NQT. I don't want all of you to spoil it. We have only 4 days. Left, because right after, from 15th March, test will begin. Okay, so either you will get on that 15th March or either you will get in the next month. It's totally depending upon the applications, how much people are filling it. But yes, to prepare for TCS NQT, you should come here and avail all the TCS NQT free material which I posted, so that you can prepare for your upcoming TCS NQT exam, as well as recently introduced the real TCS NQT mock test. Okay, you just need to click here and avail it. It's just 69 rupees, and here also you will get a straight 20% discount that you should use Aditya 20 coupon code to avail it. All the links would be in the description so that you can avail this coupon code. Make sure that you went through my link. If you search me on Google, you won't be able to apply discount coupon. Okay, mock test has created in such a way that you will get an exact simulation, because recently I uploaded on it. If you want to see today's video, go check that out. Final mock test, there's a thumbnail written. Okay, although many people are trusted us, like nearly 30,000 people. So if you are left out, please go straight away without wasting time. Head here and accept all the free resources and start preparing hard, because one time you let it down, another time you should ace it. Okay, so we'll meet you with a new video soon. Until then, please subscribe the channel, like this video, so that all TCS NQT coding question you won't be missing and you will be able to crack it. Okay, so we'll meet you with a new video soon.